if your Keurig machine has prompt error message on your screen here, okay, I just had mine, and it should indicate your water reservoir over here is not put in correctly, or maybe loose, maybe, you know, try to, what I did, I remove it and then put it back and make sure it is sitting properly or snug, and then I turn the machine off and gonna try to turn it back on again from the back. So let me do that. Okay, it helps if I turn on the power. Here you go. Turn on the machine. Hey, at least I'm not getting the prompt message. So all I did was remove the reservoir here and put it back securely. I'm not getting prompt again, so that's not like your machine breaks or anything. It seems to be working okay. So that's how you fix prompt error. Okay, thanks for watching.